In this video we are going to talk about the best trail running shoe in this year, which is New Balance Men's 410 Trail Running Shoe. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. The New Balance Men's 410 Trail Running Shoe is designed to provide comfort and durability for running on rough terrain. It features a synthetic and mesh upper that allows for breathability and a secure fit, as well as a reinforced toe for added protection. The shoe also has a cushioned midsole and a rugged outsole with multi-directional lugs for traction on various surfaces. Upper. The upper of the shoe is made of a combination of synthetic leather and mesh, which provides durability, breathability, and a comfortable fit. The mesh material also helps to keep the feet cool and dry during intense workouts. Toe protection. The shoe features a reinforced toe cap that provides added protection and durability on rocky trails. Midsole. The midsole of the New Balance Men's 410 Trail Running Shoe is made of EVA foam, which provides lightweight cushioning and support for the feet. The foam material also helps to absorb shock and reduce the impact of each step. Outsole. The outsole of the shoe is designed for maximum traction on a variety of surfaces. It features a rugged rubber compound with multi-directional lugs that provide grip and stability on uneven terrain. The outsole also has a rock stop plate in the forefoot area, which protects the feet from sharp rocks and other debris. Fit. The New Balance Men's 410 Trail Running Shoe is designed to fit true to size, although some customers have noted that it runs slightly narrow. The shoe features a lace-up closure that allows for a customized and secure fit. Based on online reviews, the New Balance Men's 410 Trail Running Shoe is generally well liked by customers. Many reviewers praise the shoe's comfortable fit and durability, stating that it holds up well on rugged trails. Some reviewers note that the shoe runs slightly narrow, so it may be best to order a half size up if you have wider feet. Overall, the New Balance Men's 410 Trail Running Shoe appears to be a solid choice for runners who need a shoe that can handle rough terrain. Its combination of comfort and durability make it a popular option among customers. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.